Hi guys, welcome to another N8N AI automation related video. So this video is related to a known issue which N8N has. Unfortunately, you cannot generate styled document in Google Doc with N8N. We were creating an automation for one of our client and we were having this issue and we were able to generate a solution for that within N8N without using built-in N8N node. Let me show you what I mean. So if you want to generate a Google Doc via N8N like this, you can see that we have heading and then we have bullet points. But when you try to generate a doc with HTML in N8N, what you will get is this. Like we have this H3 and then we have UL, LI, right? So in this video, I'm going to tell you a solution for that. I have already prepared a working workflow for you guys. Link in the description. So just access the workflow and test it out on your end as well. I'm going to show you the demo of the solution as well. So that is the workflow. And we will be testing this. So if you will use the default, so let me deactivate these nodes first, right? Now, if I try to generate a Google Doc with this, you will see that we will have all of this type of styling. So let me show you that. So if I just change the doc title here, testing doc 2, right? And if I click save and let me add the trigger manual and try to execute this. Now, if I execute this, it is going to create a document in my Google Drive with this type of HTML styling, all this HTML code stuff. Let's test it out. Now, if I open the Google Drive, you can see that the doc is created, but now it has all of the HTML styling. But if I do the same thing, and by the way, this prompt is same, right? So that's the prompt, which is same. I would just delete this node here and connect it with this one above. And in this set field node, so let me resume these nodes and deactivate these two nodes following. I'm going to deactivate these nodes. And now I will just name this document. So here we will add the document name. And here we have the HTML content, which is coming from my AI agent, right? And here is the drive folder ID, which you will need to add. So wherever you want to save the Google Doc with styled HTML, you will simply just copy this folder ID, right? And then paste it here. Now let's test it out. I'm gonna change the name. I already did testing style doc 2, right? And if I now click execute workflow, you can see that this doc is created. And now when I open up the doc, you can see that we have proper headings, proper LI, and all of that kind of stuff properly. So how is it working? It's basically first setting the document name, adding the HTML content, and then drive folder ID. Then it passed on to this code node where we have all of this code to prepare for the custom request we are doing here. So that's the custom HTTP request, which we are doing to this API, Google Drive API, where we are passing all of the data. So I was able to do some prompting with Claude and ChatGPT and able to create these two nodes, right? And then set field before that. So we can create a styled Google document with HTML styling in N8N. So if you need the workflow, it's already prepared. It's in the description. Make sure to import that, test it out. And if you like this video and the solution, make sure to subscribe the channel as well. Also check out the other videos which I have created related to N8N. If you go to my channel and search for N8N playlist, so I have a dedicated playlist for N8N where I create N8N related tutorial. You'll find a lot of different automations which I have already created, like this one for creating your own AI chatbot and how to embed it on your website. And these are some other tutorials like connecting with Slack, connecting with N8N, how you can install the N8N and update it locally, how you can install the N8N with Coolify. So all of these tutorials, playlist link is in the description. And if this video helped you, make sure to subscribe the channel so I can keep creating more valuable videos for you guys. That's it for this video. Until next video, have a great day.